everyone, we are from 5th B section. Welcome to the communication competition show. Today we will find out who helps the people communicate the best.
Let's meet.
Telephone enters. I am the telephone, invented by Alexander Graham Bell. I help two people talk to each other for a fair way for many years. I am the king of communication. Thank you. Next, please, mobile phone enters. Hello everyone. I am a mobile phone. I can call, I send messages, I take photos, play music, even use the internet. People are carrying me everywhere. I am used to be important, but you are more advanced. Good morning, listeners. I am the radio. I use news, music, weather, and millions of people can listen at the same time.
Host, wait.
Wow, that makes you a mass communication tool. Hello everyone, I am television invented by J.L. Bhatt. Let's watch news, movies, cartoons, sports, and educational programs on me. TV, children love you. Hey, I bring whole world into the living room. Hello world, I am the internet, the fastest means of communication. Email, video calls, online classes, shopping, banking. I connect everyone instantly. Even TV show internet in nowadays. Telephone helps us talk. Mobile phones goes with us everywhere. Radio gives news to all. Television shows pictures and sound. Internet connects the entire world. So the winner is all of you. We are all make communication easy. Thank you. Good morning, friends. We are thrilled to be a part of Siddharth session to inspire the world. You know, communication skills are very important in our life. So we must gear up and improve our speaking abilities first. So today our friends are going to do a small conversation on the topic of junk food. So let's invite Chekarika and Guru. So dear friends, please come to the dais. Now we are going to do a small conversation about healthy eating habits, the junk food and healthy food. I eat fruits and vegetables every day. That's great. I eat meat and eat them from smell. Yes, skipping breakfast is not good for healthy. A balanced diet includes fruits, grains, milk, and proteins. My mom said colorful food means healthy plate. Eating on the diet helps our body digest the food properly. I would also wash your hands and before after eating. Drinking natural water keeps us fresh and strong. Healthy eating keeps both our body and mind fit. Eat fruits every day. Drink clean water. Wash your hands clean and dry. Good morning to all. Today we are going to do a small conversation on junk food and its effects in junk food, healthy food topic. I love burgers and chips, but my mom says do not eat them often. Same here, junk food tastes good but harmful to our health. Too much sugar and oil can cause problems. We should eat junk food once in a while. Junk food can make us weak and overweight. Some drinks have a lot of sugar. We should avoid them. My teacher says junk food has empty calories and only energy. Eating fruits gives us vitamins and strength. Homemade food is always healthier than outside food. Let's enjoy junk food Eat less junk, be healthy. Drink clean water, feel so good. Fruits and veggies, be right. Thank you. Now we are going to do a small conversation on staying fit and active on the topic of junk food. Apart from eating well, we should also exercise daily. Yes, morning walks and games sleep in a benefit. Drinking water and sleeping content are also important. Healthy dress, you must take care of it. I love playing badminton and sleeping after school. I love regularly to friends. Exercise makes our body strong and improves our blood flow. It also makes me happy and festive. Must have spending too much of time when women sleep. True, playing golf is the best way. It also stays active and healthy. Eat smart, stay fit. Never fight, never fight. Healthy life, happy life. Thank you. Good morning to all. Now we are going to do a small conversation about good health, happy life of junk food and healthy food. A healthy body keeps the mind happy and too, as eating might help us to stay positive and strong. We must avoid junk food and choose natural homemade food. Let's promise to follow a good healthy lifestyle always. When we stay healthy, we can work, study and play better. Healthy people always full of energy and confidence. Let's teach our friends also to eat healthy meals and remind that the fitness is better than fast food. Good health makes life beautiful and peaceful. From today, let's eat smart, stay fit and live happily. Jump and run.